Yeah, that's going. Haven't been down in a while. Got that old car smell. It's nice. Yeah. Do you know what one of the coolest things about this whole thing is? This right here. Or it's me, you know. I can. All this stuff goes bucket out. Take off. Yeah, you got lots of room back. Oh, okay. Oh man, what's your camera there? Camera. This is where this came out of. This car has sat for right now 18 years. Right now we're getting ready to load it up, take it to my garage. It's just nuts, man. You see this stuff all the time on YouTube and you don't think that it's ever like real. But it is. Can't get to the linkages. I'm just gonna hit everything here. Just get a jump on this while we get it back to the house. Z-bar. Please tell me there's oil in it. Is that just moisture? Smells like oil. Doesn't smell like anything else. No crazy signs of anything. What's into these things? Smell like that? It's strong. Sorry, it's plastic. Huh? Sure plastic. They put the build sheets, well they call them build stickers, they put them on top of the gas tanks in these cars. So if we do drop the tank in it, hopefully it's still up there. I doubt it, but this car's been apart. Fine. Now it's mine.
Yeah, if you need stop it.
This thing's faster than I thought it would be. Good.
Oh, we're out of winch.
Perfect. Things are frozen up. Like the alternator completely frozen. Spun the engine over by hand 2-3 times before ever even touching the key. The garage that this is sitting in, if you watched when we pulled it out, the roof actually collapsed in parts and leaked water everywhere. So the tri-power, all frozen as of right now. This is the big frozen Yeah, it won't move. But this car has had a lot of time and love put into it at one point in time. Sort of retro and pretty cool. It's a genuine Craig Ursons, genuine spinners. The side pipes, this car wasn't originally a side pipe car. You know, duals out the back. Check out this sweet retro paint job. I respect them. I've never been a huge fan of Corvettes, but having this in front of me, I get it now. I even bought a new pair of New Balance. It's changing me.